Hello. Today I'll show you how to create a night effect and turn on car light. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find the link to this image in the description. Let's start. Select image layer. Go to adjustment layer. Choose color lookup. Change load 3D to night from day. Again go to adjustment layer. Choose levels. Follow this step. Select elliptical marquee tool. Make selection on car headlight. Go to adjustment layer. Choose solid color. Choose white color. Then hit OK. Double click on solid layer. Follow these steps. Then hit OK. Make a new layer. Select brush tool, follow this step. Choose color. Then hit OK. Change blending mode to screen. Change fill to 70 to 80%. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Scale it by pressing Ctrl T. And adjust it by holding Shift and drag it. Set it like this. That's it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.